You, I feel like this individual that has been trying to destiny swap with you has reached a major roadblock because the thing is, Spirit played a trick on this individual. They were trying to destiny swap with you at a time in your life where maybe things weren't going too well. Maybe you were overwhelmed, with, family, with, maybe you were having disagreements with your neighbor or something along them lines, right? And this person intervened and interjected their energy into your life. And what actually happened was they destiny swapped your baggage. This is just like a side note. And I'm kind of laughing to myself because it's like, that's why it's important to stay in your own lane. It's not funny, but it's funny. You know what I mean? TikTok family. But I feel like this person, they were so desperate to be in your energy, to gain your blessings. That's the thing. That's why you shouldn't envy anyone, because you don't know what's going on behind closed doors. They so desperately wanted to be you, to be in your shoes, that they actually inherited your dramas. And for some of you, I feel like something occurred in your life whereby things were quite silent, like you weren't beefing with your family, you weren't beefing with your neighbor or something like that. It's because this person who tried to destiny swap with you, they took on your energy and they inherited your problems, right? That's for a small few of you. That's very specific, right? But I feel like in general, this individual could have also been somebody in your area. It could have been a family member, and they were in admiration of you, what you were going to become, what you were doing, etc. And maybe they wanted this same blessings for themselves or for someone else in the family that they felt, deserved to have your talent, or someone else within the community that they felt should be, praised. And what actually happened was, this person, they tried to copy the steps that you take or that you took in the past to get something, and they were met with road blockages. They tried to basically copy the same formula that you used, and they were met with, and I feel like it has something to do, let that go, not for all of you, because for some of you it is love, it is like your beauty, it is like the romantic partners that you attract, it is the money that you make, it is your creativity. But for others of you, I feel like it was your popularity. Now you are the life and soul, maybe in your community, and or maybe in your family. Maybe you've got a lot of friends, maybe a lot of people like you, maybe you've got a huge following on social media, but I feel like you're very popular anyway. A lot of people like you, and this person wanted it for themselves. They wanted to have the same charisma, they wanted your charm, they wanted your essence, right? And I feel like this individual tried to go behind your back, tried to befriend your friends, tried to connect with people in the community that look up to you, that like you, that do favors for you. And for some of you, they were name dropping as well. And what actually happened was this person was met with backlash, and they were shut out. They were left out in the cold because Spirit was saying, this is not for you. This is not your path. I also feel like whoever this person is that's been trying to do this destiny swap, they are seeking some sort of stability. I feel for some of you, there's someone that's in a race to have a family before you, to get married before you, is what I'm picking up. So whilst you were telling them about your plans, what you want, your manifestations, they were simply trying to create your manifestations that you told them about, and they were trying to actually create these manifestations into their own life. So for instance, say you said, oh, I want to get like a new house, I'm thinking of painting my house this color, or I'm thinking of like me and my partner going away here. They will quickly try and do these things so that they can say to you, oh, I've done this, I've done that, almost as if they have amnesia, like they forget or forgot that you told them that you've done these things, or you told them that you want to, do these things. They will quickly do it before you and then act as if they're brand new, act as if they are stunting on you, they're flexing on you, which made you feel to yourself like, am I like, what's going on here? Do you know what I mean? So that's why it's very important, because there is someone that is trying to get something before you, get a stable family before you, have a child before you, get married before you, right? So this is why Spirit is saying that, just be quite mindful, not quite, be mindful, right, about what information you let out, because I feel like this person is in a desperate energy right now. We've got the Knight of Swords. The Knight of Swords can be a cool energy, but this energy is coming up as someone that's very desperate, someone that's very scattered. So this individual, they don't really think for themselves, right? This is a type of person that just copies other people. And they may have been successful in the past with this type of energy. And now their focus is on you. They're fixated on you, right? They're fixated on getting something before you. And it has something to do with a friendship group, a club, or organization. They do not want you to have it first. It may have something to do with an innovative idea that you have that you may have mentioned. Please do not mention none of your goals to this person, because this person wants to come out with something first. They may check in with you to see if you've done this thing already. They may check in with you to see if you're still connected to certain people so that they can destroy it. So you have to be very mindful, because this person is not balanced. They are not spiritually connected to themselves. And what's going to happen is this person is going to be very scattered in regards to, this is like, say you do not tell this person any of your, I'm hearing keep your energy cloaked. Try and keep away from this person if you can. If you unfortunately have to be around this person, say as little information as possible, and don't even get into no dialogue with them, because you know any exchange, whether it's verbal or whatever the case is, it's still an exchange, right? So don't even get into any verbal conversation with this individual. Don't even get into no communication or nothing. Don't even be around this person, right? Because this person has been studying you. And what's going to happen is, if you take your energy away, if you take your attention away from them, they're going to become very scattered all over the place. Because remember, they are leeching off your energy to make the moves that they want to make in their life. So I feel like if you draw your energy back, if you focus on yourself, becoming a better version of yourself, right? Evolving daily, right? This individual is going to feel very scattered all over the place. They're going to feel quite reckless, because they have nothing to feed off. They have nothing to try and destroy. And this is the energy that this individual is going to be in. It's going to be very desperate energy as well. I feel like this person is going to lack harmony and balance from within, because they are not going to know what you're going to do next, or if you're going to get the thing or the person that they suspect you're going to get. So this person is going to be thrown off balance to the point where their behavior is going to be so erratic. People around you, especially friends that you may all be connected to, will be looking at this person very strangely. Okay, so spirit is basically saying, take your energy away. Okay, because I feel like this person has been very strategic, very manipulative. They've gotten away with this type of behavior in the past. And I feel like, you know, you are going to become aware of what this person was doing. Other people are going to become aware. I'm hearing someone say, didn't so-and-so do that first? Didn't so-and-so say that? Or isn't that so-and-so saying? You're yourself, my TikTok family member. Spirit wants you to block any access to your energy from these individuals, right? Move in silence, and also keep this person at bay is what I'm picking up. This is going to be this person's energy. This person's going to be left alone. Their plans that they have plotted behind the scenes will not succeed. Maybe in the past they were able to destiny swap or do whatever they done, but it stops with you, is what Spirit is saying, because you're too powerful for this individual. This person has been able to manipulate others to talk people